What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well, doing good myself as I sit down to get another daily trade recap out of the way. Take a look at these trades, see if I got in where I was supposed to, see if I got out where I should have. And overall, just try to grade myself and try to improve to be a better trader the next day. That's what this thing is all about. Just going back and reviewing, seeing what we did on a particular day. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go ahead and jump on over in TRADERVUE. We'll see that I took 4 trades today. Reviewing trades for Thursday, April 13th. 4 trades, closed P&L 91.40. Fell just a little short of what I try to do every day. Traded NVDA, option trade. Microsoft, option trade. Snow, option trade. And then we traded HUT. HUT was a stock play. And today, I could pretty much summarize today as a day that they threw some home run pitches, and I just still took the base hit. They literally threw me some home run pitches, and I think I only took base hits today, y'all. And that's what this shows on TRADERVUE. You look at the P&Ls. Now, the trades that I took, those might not have necessarily been the home run pitches, but those were the trades that I took, and I got the base hits off of them. When we look at HUT, we'll see that HUT was a good pitch. They threw HUT right across the center of the plate, and I just got a base hit out of it. So let's go ahead. Let's pull up Thinkorswim. We'll look at the details. First things first, look at the SPY. We're looking at my pre-market layout, the 5 charts that I like to look at when I'm doing my pre-market review. We come right here. We see that the SPY was in an hourly down channel. So that's how I was seeing the SPY. And the SPY was just not looking very good to me. So I didn't take any trades. I didn't take really any action. I didn't load up any contracts or anything. In the Discord, Spark, who has his own YouTube channel over at Spark and Trade, he had made the comment, man, we're in a nice little trend. I was like, what you see a trend on? It's like the SPY. And I look at the 2-minute, and we were in about right this section right here. And I'm like, man, the SPY ain't in no trend. What you talking about? And then after I said it, I thought to myself, I'm looking at the 2-minute chart. Let me look at a higher time frame. And I came over and I looked at the hourly. And sure enough, if you look at the hourly, and I have right now highlighted, turned off, so I'm going to turn it back on. If you look, this candle here is pre-market. This candle here is pre-market. So this candle has formed. I'm going to delete this line. This was not on the chart prior to him saying that. He says the SPY is in an up channel. And soon as I look at the hourly, I said, you absolutely right. And that's when I drew this channel right here. I went on and I drew it as the channel. And that's the new picture that I had right there. That's the new picture. I'm going to edit that channel. I'm going to make it blue just because I like to see it as blue. Let me know that's the hourly. Man, we were in an uptrend, and it broke smooth up out of that uptrend at like 10 o'clock and just ripped. It went $3. Spark kept saying, I want to see this thing hit 413 today. Look at what it did. It hit 413.84 today. I'm like, man, how did I miss this in my pre-market routine? I did not come back and take a peek and see that we actually were transitioning from this downtrend to this uptrend. We get the higher low right there, and this thing just rips. And really, I could have drawn that without this area of the chart even being there. I could have came to right here off of this point and drew it just like that. I can come back and redraw this as a channel using the bottom. I'm using this area right here for my base. Drop that and look at it. It's the same thing that I just drew from there to there. So you don't necessarily even have to have this part of the chart on here yet. You can come from here to there and then use the low. That gets you the channel. Man, such a clean move. That was home run. That's a home run right there. Let's take a peek at HUT, and then I'll switch these over. So the market was fairly slow. So what did I do? I pulled up my previous high of day scanner. So in the mornings, I'm using the gap list scanner. It's gap list pre-market. I also have one that I call previous high of day, $1 to 500. I pulled this one up. I sorted by percent once the stock has opened. This is what it's giving me right now. At that time, HUT was like up and near the top up in here. So I look at HUT. HUT has did that. It broke previous high of day. After this break, I like to see a retest and then a go. I caught this a little late, y'all. This candle right here would have been my go candle. The high of it is 206. The low of it is 202. That's about a 4-cent candle. I'm going to get in when it breaks 206. I'm going to put my stop at the low. I catch it late. I get in at 207. So I'm missing it by a penny. Kind of moves higher, drops back down. And then it makes this little move trying to go higher. And I just say, I don't like this price action. That's what I'm telling myself. I don't like this price action. I go and I look at the weekly. The weekly is down here. And I say, this still looks good on the weekly to come up to about right here, about 250. It looks good. But I'm still not liking this price action. So I get out, y'all. I get out of 500 shares because I'm in this thing 1,000 shares. I get out of 500 shares at 208 at the base of this when it's coming back down. And then I get out over here, another 500 shares at what? The same price, 208. Making a few dollars. It's not bad. 4-cent stop. This thing goes to, I'm out like a half an R. And then look at what this thing does, y'all. Look at what this thing does. So I'm in at 206, 4-cent stop, 214 is target. So I'm catching target over here somewhere, about 10, 11 o'clock. Okay, no problem. This thing goes to $2.24. On 1,000 shares, it's $200. That's $200. And the hourly told me that this was going to be a slow grind. This wasn't going to be a quick pop. This thing moves very slowly, very small increments. I could have took my stop to break even and just said, okay, at worst, I won't make no money. I won't make the $10.40 that I made, and just held this. And it just grinded and did exactly what I thought it was going to do. But that was HUT. Let's go ahead and switch over to our 3-chart layout. We'll take a look at the option trades that we took. First one, NVDA. NVDA. Let's come on over, take a peek. So, NVDA, big picture pre-market. I have 2 hourly charts drawn. This is one reason why I do these too. This is a perfect example of why I kind of stack these like that. Because look, pre-market, NVDA is trading in this lower channel, but we have it in this up channel within the hourly. Market opens. This thing pops. I get in. Let's come over here and look at where we getting in at, because I already didn't put arrows because I had to redo this. Didn't have my mic turned on, if you can believe that. But get in, as this is, and I'm getting real aggressive with these now, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I trust my channels enough to when this pushes up, I'm getting in if it comes back down. It comes and it taps it and it comes back down. I get in. Herein lies the problem. I don't trust the channel when it's coming all the way back down, y'all. I got out right here. So I'm in 2 contracts. I get out of the first one in the same candle that I got in on. This is a 1-minute candle. I'm out in the same candle. So I'm in at 178. I'm out at $2. That's $22. And then I get out of the next one in the next candle as it's coming back up. And I get out of that one at 199, basically making the same as the first one. And then look at what it does 2 candles later, right down to where my first target should have been at, the base. Let's see how much we left on the table. We're out at $2. That candle is at $2.56. That's $56 per contract. That's $100 that we left on the table just to this move. Just for kicks and giggles. Let's see what we left on it. Because look at what it did. Came down, popped back up the VWAP, and it finally comes back down to the base down here. Again, that's why I like to stack my charts, so that I have expectation if it breaks out. The high of that is 362. It's $162 per contract. It's $320 right there, y'all. Again, they threw the home run pitch, but I didn't whiff. I didn't strike out. I didn't hit it right back to the pitcher and get thrown out. I just took a base hit. I took $40 when I could have made $150. Yep, that's what we did, y'all. Go ahead and take a peek at Microsoft. Take a peek at Microsoft. Big picture. Microsoft is in an hourly down channel that is trading with the weekly up channel right in the top part of it. So Microsoft opens, basically does what NVDA does, makes this nice move back up to the hourly channel. Like I said, I kind of trust my hourly channel, so I get it. I get in right here, pushes back down, kind of pops back out. I got room to worry if this next candle does that, but it doesn't. It comes back down into the channel. But now we have a but. The hourly down channel, we are inside, but the weekly up channel is right there. And the way that my trading plan says, when I follow it, is that I'm gonna give more respect to the higher time frame channel, which is this weekly. So when this comes down and taps it, I get out of one of the contracts, make a few bucks. When this does not, and that's the good thing about having 2 contracts, I can get out of one right there, and then we can say, okay, let's see if this thing can possibly break, retest, and keep going. Nope, it does not. The weekly up channel does what it's supposed to do and provides super strength, super support. So doesn't break. I get out of the next one right here, and this thing just rips. We see that the weekly or the hourly down channel tries to give a little resistance, but nope, not enough. Rip, breaks right on through previous high of day. And then we see that we do have, that's my duty phone, y'all. Let me see who this is. The fire department too. Let me pause y'all. All right, y'all. Gotta step on the gas. I got a bus fire that I gotta respond out to. So that was Microsoft. Again, weekly up channel is gonna have a whole lot more respect over the hourly down channel. And we see that by how this chart played out. So that was Microsoft. Let's go ahead and take a look at snow and we gonna wrap this one up. Catching all kind of interruptions. That's UPS. But okay, snow. Let's look at snow. Big picture. Pre-market. We have snow. Hourly down channel. And it's out of it. It's trading at the top of it. Market opens. Pushes higher. Hourly 50. This comes back down. Retest. I take this trade here. This is kind of aggressive because I haven't got confirmation that this is going to go back lower. I only buy one contract. Get in. This kind of pushes up. And then I get the move that I think it's going to make. Trail stop it. And I stop out right there, making a few bucks. Make 22 bucks on this trade. Comes back up. Retest this same low area. Rip. Comes up. Test previous high of day. Previous high of day gives it the not in my house. It pushes it right back down and it does what it's supposed to do. That's why I like having previous high of day, previous low of day, close. Certain things on my chart I will have because the market just respects them. So that is what we did today, y'all. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you haven't already hit that like button, please do so. Please do so. It doesn't cost you a thing. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. That does not cost you a thing as well. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comment section. Have some good discussions going on down there. People trade different styles. So just because I trade one style, you might trade a different style. But there's things that people can take from different people's trading strategies. So don't ever think that your comment is not seen. It's not heard. Again, I might not be able to answer it, but we have some knowledgeable traders out there that are usually in the comment section as well, and they may be able to answer it. So on that note, I'm going to wrap this up. I got to go do some real work. Fire department needs to see my face. So until next time, peace.